Capture sharp, cinematic images from the heavens with the best drones. Drones are a marvel in the world of photography, allowing photographers to easily capture images from angles they have never had access to before. When choosing the best drone for you, you also need to consider things like how easy and seamless it is to fly, and whether it has automated modes for stable creative shooting. So in this video, we will discuss top 7 best personal drones. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for discounted offers. Let's start. Number 7. DJI Mavic 3. If you are a professional photographer or videographer looking for the highest possible image quality in a portable and lightweight drone, then look no further than the Mavic 3. This drone features a dual camera with a large 4/3 20 megapixel sensor and adjustable aperture in the main camera, offering excellent image quality for stills and video. With video possible at up to 5.1K in standard and RAW formats, stills in RAW and JPEG format, and other advanced features, it's a drone that's aimed at professionals. The Mavic 3's second camera is much more limited, however, and can only shoot images in JPEG and standard video at 4K 30 FPS in auto mode, but it does offer a hybrid zoom of up to 24x. The Mavic 3 features a folding design for easy transportation. The standard model provides 8 GB of internal storage, while the more expensive and slightly heavier same model includes an internal 1 TB internal storage. Both models also feature a microSD card slot to expand onboard storage. Number 6. Autel Evo Lite Plus. If you are looking for the perfect balance of price, features, and camera performance, it can be the perfect drone for you. It features a 20 megapixels 1-inch sensor in a camera, with an equivalent focal length of 29 millimeters, which is ideal for controlling exposure when shooting video. Photos can be captured in JPEG and RAW, while video can be captured in standard and log color in 5.4K, up to 30 FPS, 4K up to 60 FPS, 2.7K up to 60 FPS, and HD up to 120 FPS. Image quality for both photos and videos is excellent, providing the sharpest results before diffraction kicks in and reduces overall image sharpness. The Lite Plus features a folding design, which makes it much more compact for transportation and storage. It's not the smallest or lightest drone available, but the trade-off here is improved image quality, more advanced camera functionality, and more power. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. It is the smallest, most lightweight drone featuring a 1-inch sensor available today. This makes it ideal for photographers and videographers who carry other kit with them while exploring the outdoors, or simply those who like small and lightweight tech. Like all Mavic models, it features a folding design to make it more transportable. Battery life is advertised as offering up to 31 minutes of flight time, and the digital zoom provides up to 8x magnification when shooting full HD videos with a sliding scale to 4x at 4K, allowing you to film subjects without needing to physically fly closer. It is suitable for both beginners and more experienced drone pilots, with features that make it ideal for both amateur and professional use. Safety features include obstacle sensing in 4 directions, as well as Advanced Pilot Assistance System 4.0, which can be set so the drone flies autonomously around obstacles when detected. Number 4. Exo Scout. It steps up the small drone category with a greater range of abilities than you might expect from a drone at this size and price. It has 3 flight speeds. The drone also handles auto takeoffs and landings. Plus, you can set an altitude hold mid-flight and take advantage of sensors to avoid crashes. The camera shoots 1080p video or 6 megapixel still images. You are able to tilt the camera up or down remotely using your smartphone and take advantage of a 10x digital zoom feature. On the downside, maximum flight range is just 315 feet, and flight time is a mere 15 minutes per battery charge, so consider going with a 2 or 3 battery kit at Amazon. Number 3. DJI Avata. FPV drones are notoriously difficult to fly, but with the DJI Avata, anyone can easily capture immersive FPV video footage in stunning 4K resolution at up to 60 FPS. It can be flown in manual or acro mode, which is the holy grail of FPV flight. But it's this that makes FPV drones difficult to fly. So it has intuitive and easy-to-use motion controller that's ideal for beginners. More advanced pilots can purchase the FPV controller too separately. The Avata features a Singwhoop-style design, where prop guards are built into the airframe to protect the propellers in the case of crashes. Its battery timing is advertised as providing up to 18 minutes of flight time. There's also 20 gigabytes of onboard storage, alongside a micro SD card slot, so plenty of storage options for safely recording FPV videos. Number 2. Skydio 2 Plus. It is a high-quality, well-designed drone with a focus on autonomous flight. The unit has smooth and stable automated takeoff and landing, which is great for newer drone pilots. Additionally, its intelligent flight programs, such as Cable Cam, which allows the user to preset waypoints for the drone to fly along, and Follow Mode, in which the drone chases a user-defined subject, are among the best in the class. The battery securely attaches to the device, but is nonetheless easy to remove, without the need for moving parts prone to failure. The gimbal, which does have moving parts, delivers smooth and stable video in all challenging flight scenarios. This drone can be extended with a radio beacon and traditional radio controller for a longer range. Though even with just a phone, one of the most impressive features, the keyframed flights, can be planned and put into operation. This device and its app are truly built around the cinematography rather than the process itself, and that has a lot of appeal. It's even smart enough to remember to record a video for you. When taken as a whole, this is a fantastic drone that will best suit those who prefer programmable flight over pilot-focused flight. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The Mavic Mini series has taken the drone world by storm. So not only are these drones incredibly small and lightweight, but they can also be flown in more places than larger drones. This drone is the latest incarnation of this popular series and addresses several shortcomings of previous models to make it the best drone to date. With the standard Mavic folding design, the Mini 3 Pro is a pleasure to carry around because it's so small and lightweight. But don't let that fool you into thinking this palm-sized drone doesn't pack a visual punch. The new 1.3-inch 12.1 megapixel sensor, capable of shooting 48 megapixels RAW files and JPEGs, produces fantastic image quality with excellent high ISO noise handling, thanks to dual native ISO capturing technology. Combine this with the 24mm equivalent lens and fast 1.7 aperture. This drone has some serious low-light credentials. Tri-directional obstacle sensing uses forward, backward, and downward sensors. Its Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems 4.0 provides obstacle avoidance and automated flight patterns for capturing professional-looking video with ease. Plus, video can be captured in 4K up to 60 FPS, 2.7K up to 60 FPS, and Full HD up to 120 FPS, with normal and D-Cine-like color profiles available. Its compact size comes in handy in many regions, as the Mini 3 Pro may be small enough to bypass local administrative rules. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.